Discover the top 10 innovative kitchen hacks that will save you time, money, and effort while cooking. From easy cleaning solutions to food storage tricks, these practical tips and techniques will make your life in the kitchen a lot easier. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, these hacks will help you maximize your culinary skills and impress your family and friends with your delicious dishes. Get ready to revolutionize the way you cook and simplify your kitchen routine with these amazing kitchen hacks. Here are 10 kitchen hacks with content descriptions. 1. Keep your knives sharp with a coffee mug. You don't need a knife sharpener to keep your knives in top shape. Simply take a coffee mug and turn it upside down. Run the blade of the knife along the unglazed bottom of the mug, pulling it towards you in a slicing motion. 2. Peel garlic easily with 2 bowls. Peeling garlic can be a tedious and time-consuming task. Make it easier by placing a head of garlic in one bowl and covering it with another bowl of the same size. Shake vigorously for a few seconds, and the garlic cloves will separate from their skins. 3. Use a muffin tin to make perfect portion sizes. If you're watching your portion sizes, a muffin tin can be your best friend. Use it to make perfectly portioned muffins, meatballs, or even lasagna cups. 4. Soften butter quickly with a warm glass. Softened butter is a must for many baking recipes, but it can be a pain to wait for it to come to room temperature. Take a glass, fill it with hot water, and let it sit for a minute. 5. Freeze leftover herbs in oil for easy use. Simply chop them up, mix them with some olive oil, and freeze the mixture in an ice cube tray. You'll have ready-to-use portions of herbs whenever you need them. 6. Use a spoon to peel ginger. Peeling ginger can be tricky, but a spoon makes it much easier. Simply scrape the edge of a spoon along the skin of the ginger, and it will come off in no time. 7. Keep bananas fresh with plastic wrap. Bananas can go bad quickly, but you can slow down the process by wrapping the stem in plastic wrap. This helps to keep the ethylene gas, which causes the banana to ripen, from escaping. 8. Use a bundt pan to cut corn off the cob. Cutting corn off the cob can be a messy task. Make it easier by sticking the cob in the hole of a bundt pan. As you cut down the cob, the kernels will fall neatly into the pan. Make it easier by sticking the cob in the hole of a bundt pan. As you cut down the cob, the kernels will fall neatly into the pan. 9. Use a vegetable peeler to shave chocolate. If you need to grate or shave chocolate for a recipe, try using a vegetable peeler. Simply scrape the peeler across the edge of the chocolate, and you'll get perfect shavings every time. 10. Make your own whipped cream with a mason jar. If you don't have a whisk or a mixer, you can still make your own whipped cream. Pour heavy cream and a sweetener of your choice into a mason jar, screw on the lid tightly, and shake vigorously for a minute or 2.